For those of you who are asking why your payment has been pending by Adsense for any reason, check this slideshow I made for you. I hope it helps. I used to have this problem few days ago and I tried to look for some contact details of Adsense, but I found none. Therefore I tried to explore my Adsense account. First, log into your Adsense account. Then go to payment and click on it. Go down to Manage Settings and click on it. Go up to Payment Schedule and click on the pen sign. This will give you an option to change the amount of your payment desire as long as it is inside the minimum and the maximum payout by Adsense. Don't forget to save it. Close the Adsense apps or website and re-log in, and do the same thing until you get back to Payment Schedule, and this time click on the pen sign next to it and underneath click on Reset to Default, and few seconds or minutes later you shall get your message from Adsense saying that your payment has been issued following with the MCTN code if you were getting paid via WU. If you like this video, please subscribe and like, and don't forget to share this to others. Thanks folks, you have a good day.